In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Pandas and Finance in Jupyter. By the end, you'll have the data analysis library Pandas and the market data package yfinance ready to use in your Jupyter environment. First, open Jupyter in your browser so you're looking at the Jupyter homepage, sometimes called the file browser. Make sure you're in the environment where you want these libraries installed. This matters because Jupyter can be connected to different Python environments, and installing into the wrong one can lead to modules not being found later. Next, go to the top menu and click File. Hover over New, then select Terminal. This opens a command line window right inside Jupyter. Using this terminal is important because anything you install here goes into the same environment that Jupyter is using, which helps avoid mismatches. In the terminal, type pip install pandas and press Enter. The installer will download and set up Pandas along with any required dependencies. You'll see progress messages as it works. If you notice a message that says requirement already satisfied, that simply means Pandas is already available and you don't need to do anything else for that package. If you're prompted with any warnings, read them. They often indicate version notes or suggestions, but typically no extra action is needed. After Pandas finishes, install the finance package by typing pip install yfinance and press Enter. The package name is all lowercase, spelled Y-F-I-N-A-N-C-E. This tool makes it easy to pull historical and real-time market data directly into your notebooks. As before, let the process complete and watch for a success message. If you see that it's already satisfied, you're good to go. That's it. With Pandas and yfinance installed through the Jupyter terminal, you're set to analyze data and retrieve market information in the same environment. If you ever switch environments or kernels in Jupyter, just repeat these installs there to keep everything consistent. Enjoy building your analyses.